come back and ask me about those. Hi, a lot of students have been asking me when things are due, what's due, when is it due, where do I find it? If you're in Google Classroom, the very front where all of your classes are, you're going to see for my classes, you're going to see the due dates. Now this week you're supposed to be working on, if you're in anatomy, you're supposed to be working on the actual items I posted before spring break. And I'm always going to put that slide at the very front of the slide deck that's listed in your Google Drive, so you can see that there. And they'll be listed. Then I'm going to move the sign to what's going on next week. So both this week's activities and next week's activities are due on the 17th. I gave you a little time to get jump started, get all your devices and your Wi-Fi situated. For chemistry, same thing. The very first slide on this presentation is the one that tells what you should be working on now. And then the items for next week will be posted in here, and they'll be saying this week when Monday comes along, and they're all in Google Classroom. So when you see them there, you'll know exactly when everything's due. So you don't have anything due today. It's actually due next Friday, but you have 2 weeks of items. You have the pre-spring break enrichment and the ones now. So if you're trying to be part of distance learning and get everything 100% grade enhancement for 10% grade, then you're definitely going to want to make sure that you go into Google Classroom frequently and make sure you check those items and that you have everything turned in by the right due date. It's only going to be Friday till 3 p.m. each week. So just this first week, I'm giving you a little extra time to get started. Be helpful, my friends. Do a good job. I miss seeing you face to face, but we will be able to see each other in our Zoom meetings. Chemistry is going to be Tuesday and Thursday at 11. Anatomy is going to be on Wednesday at 11. I'll be sending you the code for that. So write down questions that you have, things that you would like me to work, and I'll be able to help you guys during those meetings. Or if you need extra help, please send me a message through Remind, through email, or here on Google Classroom. Take care, my friends, and have a blessed Easter.